In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a demo account in Olymp Trade. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to olymptrade.com, which is their official website, and then you want to click on trading up top over here. And this is going to take you to a separate site where you can basically create a demo account by clicking open demo account. Now, whenever you do this, you can basically register using email and password, or you could use Apple, Facebook, Google, or Line over here as well. So just basically click on any of these methods you want, and then you'll basically gonna have to put in your details, press register, and your account will be registered. Okay, so whenever you do this, it's going to look something like this. You're gonna have your account in here, and then you can click up top where you can see basically left the payments. You can click on this bit, and here there's going to be your demo account. You can just click on it and your demo account is going to be selected, and then you can start trading with that. Okay, so that's the first way. But if you want to add another demo account, click on add account over here, and then you can basically go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.